Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and today we're going to position in for a security audio visual technician for a company based in South Brisbane. So if you've got experience in both the installation and service of AV equipment and security systems and alarms, keep watching this video. This one could be for you. As I mentioned, we've got a position in today and we're looking for somebody who's got some experience in both the installation and maintenance of AV and security systems, mainly within the pubs, clubs and bottle shop industry. And our client operates out of Brisbane and they go anywhere from the Northern Rivers in New South Wales right through to far north Queensland. So this isn't your typical 9 to 5, Monday to Friday type role. Because of obviously the nature of their business as well, some of their work has to be done out of hours. So if you're looking for your typical 9 to 5, then this is probably not the right opportunity for you. But if you've got some flexibility in the hours that you can work, happy to do some travel, happy to do some overtime, and potentially work some weekends, then this is certainly worth having a look at. This is a full-time salary position, and we are looking for somebody who has got a manual driver's license. We also are looking for somebody who's got a type 2 security clearance. So therefore, you must have gone through your police check and fingerprinting. Because of the areas that you're going to be working in, and also because you'll be working with alarm systems and CCTV. We're looking for somebody who has experience with MATV, CCTV, audio visual, and alarm systems. So that's what they specialize in. We'd also like somebody who's got their open cabling license, and you must also have a valid white card. This position is available for an immediate start. So as soon as they can find the right person, then they're ready to go, but they're willing to wait for the right person because they want to make sure that when they take this person on board, being a full-time position, they want to make sure that they've got the right person for the job. So if you're interested in this position yourself, or you know somebody who may be interested, we'll leave a link in the description below that you can click on to apply for the role. Please feel free to share this to anybody that you think may be interested. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. So as future positions come through, you can also get notified. So this is Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.